Hi, here's a delicious Asian green smoothie with lychee and mint, and here's the ingredients. It's 10 lychees and a quarter of a cup of fresh mint, and also 1 mango, 1 lime, a frozen banana and 2 cups of the Asian green Bok Choy. And Bok Choy is really great for healthy skin. So blend it on high for 1 minute with a cup of coconut water. And for the superfoods, I added a tablespoon of flax seeds and a teaspoon of spirulina. So this smoothie is packed full of nutrition with vitamin A, vitamin C and potassium, as well as omega-3. And you can garnish it with some mint and a slice of lime. Enjoy! If you enjoyed the video, please like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more great superfood smoothie recipes.